Glycolic acid is the AHA, but there's some of y'all that seem to be a little worried about using this and other AHAs during the summer. So let's talk about it. Let's start with the data. Now, there are actually a lot of glycolic acid studies out there that look at its ability to cause photosensitivity. However, the one that the FDA refers to is this guy. In this placebo-controlled clinical, they used a 10% glycolic acid solution at a pH of 3.5, and they applied it to the backs of 29 Caucasian subjects. They applied it 6 days a week for 4 weeks. They then exposed the back to UV radiation and then assessed for erythema. And they did find that skin was significantly more photosensitive after the 10% glycolic acid solution application. However, not to worry here because this is a temporary situation. They found that once they had stopped applying the glycolic acid for 7 days, that skin returned to normal and was no longer photosensitive. Now, just to remind y'all, this study doesn't have subjects apply sunscreen, and that's key here. And for all other glycolic acid studies, subjects are given sunscreen here. All this to say that if you are properly applying your sunscreen, then using glycolic acid during the summer, perfectly okay. We should note that if you have very fair skin, tend to burn easily, or maybe have a family history of skin cancer, this group can consider taking a break from AHAs and retinoids. We actually discuss all of this data in greater detail and even talk about how glycolic acid can be helpful post-sun in the latest podcast episode that just released, so check it out.